Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and enjoyed your holidays. Now it is time to start again. In last class, we completed cell. Now we will start sound. We hear different kinds of sound in our daily life, like the ringing of your mobile, your doorbell, different type of songs, shouting, knocking, banging, and the sound of your teacher as you are listening me. So here in this chapter, we learned some basic about sounds. Now the question is arises how sound is produced. So this can be understand by doing a simple activity. In this activity, we have two nails, iron nails and a copper wire and a paper clip. We hold the paper clip and stretch the wire at the center. We observe that a vibration occurs in the wire and this vibration creates sound. And when the vibration stops, the sound vanishes. So we observe that sound is produced here by the vibration of the wire. Similarly, we do another activity. We put our hand in front of our neck and start talking and singing. We observe that a vibration occurs in front of our neck. It is because of vocal cords. And as we stop singing or talking, the vibrations stop. So by doing these two simple activity, we are not we are now clear that the sound is produced by the vibration. Now let us consider some instrument and try to find out how do they causes the sound. Here are different type of string instruments. String instruments like guitar, violin, sitar and are generally metal strings. In this, the metal string is tightened and they produces sound because of the vibration in the string. And the sound of different notes are produced by controlling the thickness and the tightness of the string in the instrument. Similarly, some other type of instruments like these are different type of percussion instruments. Percussion instruments are generally used to provide the beats of the rhythm. Some of these are drum, bongo, congo, dholak, tabla, etc. In these instruments, a specific hollow shape is closed by a stretched skin of the animal. The stretched skin is beaten with a stick or with hand in order to make it vibrate. So in this way, the vibrating stretched skin vibrates the air enclosed inside the instrument and to produce louder sound. Now, some types of wind instruments. These are sahnai, flute and bugle. In these instruments, air is blown in from the mouth of the player. The structure of the instrument is such that the blow in wind or the moving air vibrates, due to which different sounds are produced. Similarly, these are some keyboard instruments like harmonium and pianos. So in this, some keys are arranged in particular sequence which are pressed while playing, and under each key there is a hole of specific shape and size covered by a thin metal strip which vibrates when the key is pressed. So the different sizes of the strips of metal vibrate to produce different sounds or different notes. So these are some instruments we observe. They create different sounds because of the vibration. So now we easily understand that sound is produced by the vibration.